Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mailchimp for affiliate email sequences, complete. To download Mailchimp for your affiliate email sequences, begin by navigating to the official Mailchimp website. Once there, locate the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields with your email address, username, and password. After entering your information, click Get Started. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Once you've verified your email, log in to your Mailchimp account. Now, access the Audience tab on the dashboard. If you haven't created an audience yet, do so by following the prompts. Next, click on Campaigns in the main menu. Select the Create Campaign button to start a new email sequence. Choose email from the options presented. Give your campaign a clear and descriptive name for easy reference. Proceed by selecting the audience you want to target with your affiliate emails. Customize your email by adding a compelling subject line. In the email builder, incorporate dynamic content that resonates with your audience. Make sure to include affiliate links throughout your email sequence. Add engaging visuals and a call to action to encourage click-throughs. Once satisfied with your email design, proceed to the review stage. Check for any errors or missing information in your content. When everything looks good, click on Schedule or Send to deliver your email sequence. Return to the Campaigns tab to monitor the performance of your email sequence. Analyze the open rates and click-through rates to gauge effectiveness. Make necessary adjustments for future campaigns based on the data you gather. This completes your guide on downloading and setting up Mailchimp for your affiliate email sequences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.